we came back to Whistler. Today is Whistler Bike Park opening day, but it's raining. However, there's a Starbucks tent, so you can get a hot coffee to warm up. Eric is already riding with other people, so I go by myself. It's super wet and muddy, but I'm ready for it. You will see it later. The line's closed. Only Crank It Up is open. Which is perfect, because it's my favorite trail. Muddy. Oh my god. For some people, this is fun to ride, but it's too muddy for me. The next lap was B-Line. It's just opened again. It was much better than Crank It Up. And I didn't know what was waiting for me after this jump.
Oh, there's Yuka! Fangirl Yuka!
Oh, hello!
Oh, my favorite YouTuber!
Hello!
Yuka Pay! You took the visor off.
Yeah, how do I look? I look stupid, right?
She's a unicorn. A unicorn? A unicorn! Is your GoPro on straight? Yeah, it looks okay.
This is today's my outfit. My bright yellow jacket is very easy to spot from anywhere in the bike park. And my elbow and knee pads are on top of the jacket and pants. Looks cool, right? Finally, my unicorn helmet. This helmet makes me really special in the bike park. I took off the visor and stick my GoPro like a home. Do I feel shame? Well, a little. And wearing the knee pads on top of the pants? That was a mistake. They just keep sliding down. So muddy.
Yeah.
So muddy.
Yeah. It's fun though.
Oh, here is the crazy mountain bike rider. And I'm joining them now. Here goes Paul the Panther. I like his bright orange jacket. We are like two beautiful flowers blooming in the dark.
Oh. Well, that was the scariest lap I've ever done. Oh, God! Use my favorite thing!
Oh, Paul.
Use a bay.
Yes.
So scary. Look at that. Never riding that ever again. Yeah. In the wet. That's scary. I was just like, oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god. Today is the second day of Whismas. I got the Twilight Pass and Eric got the 5 days pass.
I might upgrade to season pass later.
And since I have a Twilight Pass, I can ride every day after 4:30 to 8 p.m. So, I think we should make a goal, no?
What's the goal?
Since we ride in bike park, we should practice jumping. By the end of the season, I should be able to clear all jump in airline.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's a good goal. It's lofty. I like it.
Yeah?
Oh, and it's lofty in multiple ways because you're jumping.
So let's see how many jump I can clear in Crank It Up this time. Crank It Up is a smaller jump than airline. So we came to Crank It Up. Okay, how many I can clear?
Okay, time to follow Yuka down, Crank It Up. She wants to clear all the jumps. Her goal for the end of the season is to clear all the jumps on A-Line. But first she needs to clear the jumps on Crank It Up.
Here comes the first jump.
Oh yeah, that was pretty clear. Yeah.
Did they jump clear? No idea.
Oh, can she do the wall rides? I don't know if I've seen her do that. Oh yeah, she cleared that by a lot. Nice. Now she has to go high though.
No, I did not clear. No, I did not clear. 50-50 now. And here comes the fifth right after the corner.
Yeah.
Oi, 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 oi. Oi, oi, oi.
She's doing good.
Oi, oi, oi.
Nice. Oh, is she gonna keep going?
The trail condition is much better than yesterday's. It's amazing how fast it's rained.
What's she gonna do now? Oh, she's stopping. Yeah. I think you're clearing them.
Everything?
Yeah, pretty much. Maybe some you could go further, but...
Huh. Okay.
Are you gonna do the drop here?
Medium one.
Medium one, okay. Nice. Nice. Oh, medium one. Phew.
And get back in to crank it up.
That one's like jump to flat. Oh, she's doing it.
The next section is probably my least favorite section in Crank It Up. This jump, after a jump, I always about to crash into the tree.
Nice.
That was bad. Oh, nobody here. Nice.
Oh, still going. Step up. You got it. Nice. And I asked to do the lower crank it up instead of Seymour, just because we've already done that one. Oh, nice corners.
Ah, yes, I should have gone to the bigger one.
Oh yeah, she's jumping. She's jumping. Ooh. Oh, stay in the trail. Oh yeah, oh she's got the lip. Nice. Woo. Oh, she's clearing them. You know, I don't go behind her that much, just because I'm usually faster.
Oh.
Pretty cool to see her jump. They redid this whole section. It's kind of soft. Oh, she didn't get that one. That's okay though. I didn't get that one. Oh, you have to pull hard if you're not going fast enough. Doing it without stopping the whole trail.
I know I should have gone to a bigger one too. Next time. Woo. According to my count, there are 38 jumps and I cleared 28 of them. I was not as good as I was hoping for. And if you are a good jumper, I know there are more than 38 jumps in the Crank It Up.
Jump this.
Like those. There are so many little sections you can play with. Depends on your skills.
Nice.
How was it?
You did great. So like a video game,
Yeah.
you have a score out of 100.
Yes.
What percentage did you get?
85?
I was thinking more like 90.
Wrong. It was only 71%. Yeah. So, Erin?
Yeah.
Erin next? I don't think I can make it. Like maybe I can make a few, but not like everything. No. It's too big. Even Eric never made it everything, right?
Not all in one lap.
Here we are going down the airline. The trail condition is still not the perfect. Today is the second day opening the bike park, but there are already so many brake bumps. This one is okay, but next one looks still soft. Airline is probably the most popular trail in the bike park, and you will see those fast riders coming down right behind you, which is really scary. So you wanna get out of the way, even though you might crash. That's a long line. According to my count, there are 40 jumps in airline, and I cleared 8 of them. That was more than I thought. Yeah, it's big, it's scary. And fast. That was big. Some jumps are really huge, and I don't know how people jump them without being scared. Like this. And those technical sections, people just fly over the roots and rocks. I'm not sure how much I can include by the end of the season, but I hope I can be closer to the sky than I am right now. However, I don't think I will ever clear this giant jump in the near future. I think I cleared some of the jump.
Did you clear some of the jumps that you like?
Oh yeah, some like a few. It was more than a few, and I cleared 20% of airline jumps. But yeah, we will see after 3 months or something, or maybe 2 months.
Yeah.